Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. And today we'll discuss more about common disease and pests for fig plant. There are a few categories of fig disease. It can be fungal or viral. Now we go for fungal diseases first. There are few disease from the fungal. The first one is Alternaria or surface mold. Number two is Aspergillus rot. Number three, Botrytis limb blight. And number four is smut. We go one by one. Number one is Alternaria or surface mold. Usually the symptom is small olive green speck covered with green spores on fruits, and it is water soaked area on fruit surface where the fig touch. Usually, as per common, fungi usually more common on the grapefruits and primarily a problem on a ripe fruit. So how we want to manage this surface mold? The rot can be minimized by picking fruit before it becomes overripe and reduce dust in orchid. Next is Aspergillus rot. The symptom usually internal tissue of the fig bright yellow in color, and part of all the interior turn to powdery mass of spores. As for common, the disease emergence favors water stress trees, and usually we will manage by avoiding stressing trees by providing adequate irrigation. Uh, Another fungal disease for fig is Botrytis limb blight, and the symptom is actually cankers above and below the fruit, and the shoots dying back. And number three, foliage shoots wilting and turn brown. As for common, this disease emergence favors wet, cold spring. And usually we will manage this botrytis limb blight by the infected areas of the trees should be pruned out beginning just below of the cankers. And number four is smut. Usually symptom, internal section of the fruit or the entire fruit will become discolored, and infected areas will turn black and covered with powdery black spores. As for common, fungus is transferred to fruit by some species of fly, thrips, and also beetle. The fig varieties with larger ostials, which is the pores on the fruits, are more susceptible to the disease. And usually we manage this by remove all old fruit and crop debris from the orchard and try to reduce dust around the trees. That's for the fungal disease. Now we go for the viral disease of the fig tree. Number one is fig mosaic, or specifically we call it fig mosaic virus, FMV. The symptom is usually yellow spots and mottling on the foliage, and the margin of spots are diffused and blend gradually back into the green of the leaf. Common, it is usually transmitted by pig mites or by grafting from the infected trees. And usually how we manage this, we do not collect propagation materials from any trees showing symptom of the disease, and we control all the fig mites. This is an example of fig mosaic virus invading the fig trees. And now we go for pest. We have two categories also for pests. The first one we go for mites, which is fig blister mites. The symptom is usually blister on the surface of a leaf, which cause leaf to be rosette, and wicks may be stunted, and leaf may drop from trees. As for comments, blister mites transmit the fig mosaic virus, as we are talking just now, and the mites undergo several generations for years. How we manage this? Usually we will apply of horticultural oil or sulfur spray, and also chemical treatment should be applied before fig bloom. This is an example of fig blister mites. Next is the second category for pest is insect. Specifically is June beetle or fig beetle. The symptom usually holds in the fruits and staining of fruit surface from insect increment. And the common usually larva pupae in cells in the soil in the late spring, and insect undergoes one generation per year. Usually how we manage this, we will remove all the dead leaf and other crop debris from the orchard floor, and we will saturating the soil with water for a period of 2 days, and this will kill any eggs and larvae from the fig plant. This is an example of June beetle, how it looks like. And then we are done. Thank you.